Alright, so I just completed the oil change on the Honda HRV. Now we're just going to reset the Toyota maintenance minder oil life light. I'm going to turn the ignition on without starting the car. And up here you have this black reset. So you can see the oil life's at 15%. I'm going to press and hold this black button until it begins to flash. It takes probably 10 to 20 seconds, so you have to hold it for a little while. Once it flashes, take my finger off and then put it back on again and continue to hold until it resets to 100%. There you go. So now when we start the car, the oil wrench symbol will be off and you can see our life is at 100%. So let's go ahead and start the car. And as you can see, the little wrench is gone and we're at 100%. So now you're good until the next oil change. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.